Remember when whipped feta went viral and people were dipping all kinds of things into it? When I first saw that, my immediate thought was, can I turn this into a pasta? And I did. Let me show you.
Start by cooking your pasta in heavily salted water, and this is your one chance to season it from the inside out.
To make a whipped feta pasta sauce, you need whipped feta. I strongly suggest that you guys buy the feta chunk and not the crumbled feta, because this usually grinds so much better into a silky, creamy sauce. We are also going to add ricotta and lemon to balance out kind of the sour notes of the feta cheese. So grab the entire block, 6 ounces or so, and just dump it into the blender. And then we're gonna need about 1/4 cup of ricotta, but you can always add more if you want it to be creamier. So I am using a whole milk ricotta, which obviously is gonna be creamier than skim milk. This is roughly 1/4 cup. And then you're gonna need 1/2 a lemon for the juice. Add that straight in, a little bit of oregano, and then a grind of black pepper. And we're just gonna blend it all together. And then you're gonna need about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is what gives it the smooth blend. Now we're just gonna blend it together. And that is perfect. It does look a little thick right now, and that is intentional because we will be thinning it with the pasta water a little bit later to convert this into more of a smooth and luscious sauce. We'll just set this aside for now until we make the rest of the ingredients of the pasta.
And while the pasta is cooking, I am gonna warm up some oil, and then to that I'm adding some garlic and red pepper flakes, just about a minute till it's fragrant. And then I'm gonna add some chickpeas. So these are canned chickpeas, but I have already drained. And then I'm gonna now add the pasta right into the pan with the chickpeas, along with a little bit of lemon juice and just enough pasta water to kind of help everything come together. So now I am transferring it all to a bowl. And then I'm gonna fold in the whipped feta sauce. Remember, I told you it would be thick, but the pasta water is going to help it stick to the pasta while it's still warm.
Whipped feta pasta. Does it remind me of Santorini? We'll find out. Whipped feta deserved to be made into a pasta. I will die on that hill.